Oh, neat. We got the birds squawking and making noise out here. Well, where are you? What are we at? 2586. Getting a little closer to that 3200, which is 2,000 miles. Anyway, I'm down to a beer. I'm not drunk. So before I get drunk on one beer, or run out, I'm going to the store. But let's do a video on it. I got the lights on. Not the flashing one, though. Don't want to draw too much attention. Let's go beer store run. Let a video out of it. Fell down yesterday. The birds are out there squawking. There they are. There's the birds up there squawking. Dog that is. Come on. Our dog Brumeyer actually really good about staying in the yard like he's supposed to. The only reason why he got his nuts chopped off and gets tied up is because he eats chickens when they get loose. He's just, he can't be trained out of it. It's just, it is what it is. And, alright. Head on down to the store. There's a big anthill right there. Shit. And the best part is, this, like I said, this is a junk phone, man, at this point. Although the SD card in it is worth something, but again, as long as it doesn't get run over and destroyed, I can still use get the SD card out. The phone itself is just so, but it's a good camera and it's a good speaker for portability. And again, somebody just tries to steal it. Motherfucker. You got something useless, really. All swerving all over the place. Oh, give him some space. Yeah, right. I almost got run over. What was it? Tuesday? On the way back from town by somebody in a gray Ford truck, man. And, if I didn't know any better, it seemed like it was on purpose. For real. That's like a GoPro, ain't it? Ha ha ha. That's the Dollar General where that female works. She's crazy as hell. Oh, somebody's got a Kubota. Neat. Let's hold on. I don't know. Boy, there's a lot of trash on the side of the road, to be honest with you. Should we just swerve off the side of the road at full speed one-handed into the grass and sand? With just the front brake? Nah. But I could if I wanted to. Ha ha ha.